Create a new document with this details, then click Create. Insert your images. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Press Ctrl I to invert image. Press Ctrl J to duplicate layer. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Select layer and click on mask icon. Choose brush tool. Select layer and open camera raw filter. Then play with the slider to get the result. Create a black and white adjustment layer. Click to clip to layer. Then apply the following settings. Double-click on layer to open blending option. Hold Alt and drag blend if slider a bit to the right. Create a curve adjustment layer. Increase contrast a bit. Create a exposure adjustment layer. For make shadow. Press Ctrl I for invert mask layer. Choose brush tool. Click and drag this point to change brush shape. Decrease flow, and paint with white brush to make shadow.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Select the curves adjustment layer mask. And paint with black brush to make highlight. Decrease a bit opacity of the black and white adjustment layer. Create a curve adjustment layer. Press Ctrl I for invert mask layer. Create a curve adjustment layer. Press Ctrl I for invert mask layer. Adjust the image size accordingly. Click on mask icon. Create a hue and saturation adjustment layer. Create a color balance adjustment layer. Make a merge copy from all of the layers, convert it to Smart Object. This is a final result, and thanks for watching.